Sensory motor integration training activities can provide the children with the sensory input they need, which will ultimately help strengthen the connection between afferent and efferent information. Our activity is commonly known as wheelbarrow walking. 2 individuals are needed for the activity. One individual will be standing and holding the ankles of the other individual, who will be walking using their hands. The individual that is standing needs to hold the ankles of the other individual for stabilization and so they can effectively use their hands for movement. Wheelbarrow walking activity stimulates the visual, somatosensory, and vestibular systems. The visual system is stimulated in that the person walking with their hands has limited vision, as they can only see what is on the ground ahead of them. Within somatosensation, wheelbarrow walking also has a bearing on the tactile senses and proprioception. People are also not normally used to walking on their hands, so the vestibular system is involved in this aspect. Better spatial awareness, for example, knowing where you are in space, practices strengthening the connection between afferent and efferent neurons. This also helps pave the road, as referred to in the first video shown in lab, which smoothly connects the neurons to the brain.